A very good morning to one and all. Welcome to my channel called Come and Join. Request you to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for the latest videos and updates. Dear friends, post a good research. I have come up with a new exciting video. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Gaudi and I am planning to make some videos which will help you guys. And today I am introducing an amazing earning website where you can use your free time and start earning some money. Request you to view the complete video and update any comments in the box for any queries, appreciation, etc. anything. And if you are new to the channel, please ensure you subscribe. By the way, the site name is called superpay.me, a genuine website where you need not have to invest any money and it is completely free. This is a site which provides you various options like take survey, watch videos, participate in the contest, and few more other things. And you just need to qualify to take surveys and you can start earning money. Signing up is a simple process. I have pasted the link in the description. Click on the link and select join free today. A page opens where you need to complete the registration process by filling certain basic details like your name, email address, password, address, and also selecting the country. Next is your payment section. There are four modes of payment option like PayPal, Paisa, Skrill, and Bitcoin. Make sure you select the right payment option and update the right email address and click on the create account button by updating the captcha. On creating the account, you get a verification mail on your registered email ID with a verification link. Select the link and complete the verification process. This is critical. Since I have already registered, let me take you to the page, the registered page. By the way, if you have registered using the link given in the below description, you will automatically get 20 cent as a bonus, which will be reflecting in the cash balance section. This section provides various options to earn. Let me select the first option, paid survey. On clicking on this paid survey, you get to see a drop down with different survey links by different companies. Each link varies between $0.5 to $2 depending upon the length of the survey. However, you need to qualify, so please update the details rightly. The second tab is called as offer wall. This section provides different kind of an offer provided by different company. It can be in terms of taking a survey or registering to a website or installing an app or playing a game or watching video. All your earnings will come in the form of cash or reward points. If it is reward points, you can have the same converted into cash by clicking on the reward button. The next section is called as refer friends. So it is something very similar to the link that I have provided in the description. On selecting the link, your friend get around 20 cents automatically into the account. And also the best part is whatever he earns, you get around 25% of the commission for the lifetime. The next tab is called as the contest tab, where $1,000 is distributed among top 20 winners. So if you are the top winner, that is number one position, you get around $350. Number two position gets around $200. Third place gets around $100, and it goes on. You can look at this particular table for the other winners. To redeem the money, you should have minimum $1 in your PayPal or Skrill account. And to redeem via Bitcoin, you need to have minimum $40, and the money will be credited within 24 hours of time. So that's all I have for this site called as superpay.me. So friends, why wait? Use your spare time and start earning. Also, for any queries, please update in the comment section. And also, please do not forget to subscribe and like the channel. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll come again with another exciting video.